this is my life actually. I make my life. Sometimes I work in a factory, in a like church business, retouching old fresco factory. They don't pay you, they control you, they have cameras. We have cameras to control the world, but in fact they control your life, you know, they control your most intimate, you know, space. And this is like a public firm, like a national fresco art stuff, you know, and you're actually workers, they don't pay you enough, you then don't have enough money to produce paintings. You know. And it's happening everywhere around us, you know, there are people living like that, not just artists, like people with doctorate degrees, and this is our life. It's totally fucked up, it's confusion, it's toxic, it's ludicrous, it's I don't know, I have no expression with words, so that's why I painted this stuff.
But why did you use like two separate canvases? You many times you use this technique.
You know, we always live in different worlds. You never have, you know, it's not like in the Middle Ages you had this world where you know, you had your function in your life.
Yeah.
Nowadays you don't have it. Don't know what your function is anymore, and you don't have your own space. Today you are a worker, tomorrow, and now I'm here like explaining some high art to somebody, you know, to some clever people, and tomorrow I will be in the factory and they will say, fuck off work, unless you get no money, you know. So it's like, it's not one word we live in, you know. So that's why I paint one word, yeah. The reality. This is realism.
Yes.